The universe is filled with wonders. Galaxies spiral through the cosmos, stars explode in fiery supernovas, black holes warp the fabric of space-time. But here on Earth, a different kind of marvel is unfolding: the rise of artificial intelligence. Specifically, the rise of generative AI, capable of creating new content. This is not science fiction, this is happening now, and it will change everything. For decades, artificial intelligence was confined to the realm of specialists. It powered search engines and recommended products, but something profound has shifted. Generative AI like ChatGPT represents a fundamental leap forward. These AI systems are not just tools, they are partners in thought, capable of generating text, images, music, and even code. The implications are staggering. Imagine a world where writers collaborate with AI to craft compelling narratives, where artists partner with AI to generate breathtaking visuals, where composers work alongside AI to create soul-stirring symphonies. This is the promise of generative AI, a future where human ingenuity is amplified by the power of intelligent machines. The future is here, and it is powered by AI. So what exactly is generative AI? Imagine a vast library. Inside, every book, every article, every piece of writing ever created is stored. Now imagine a mind capable of reading and understanding all of that information, then using it to create something entirely new. That is the essence of generative AI. ChatGPT, for example, is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows it to generate human-like text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. But ChatGPT is just one example. There are other generative AI systems capable of creating images, music, and more. These systems learn patterns and relationships in data. They don't just regurgitate information, they create, they imagine, they push the boundaries of what we thought possible. This technology is still in its early stages, but its potential is limitless. Generative AI is more than just lines of code. It is a new form of intelligence capable of augmenting our own. Communication is at the heart of human connection. From the spoken word to the written letter, we have always sought ways to share our thoughts and ideas. Now, generative AI is poised to revolutionize how we communicate. Imagine contacting customer service and being greeted by a friendly, helpful AI assistant. It understands your problem instantly and provides a solution in seconds. No more waiting on hold. No more frustrating automated menus. ChatGPT and similar AI systems can provide instant, personalized support 24 hours a day. But the impact goes far beyond customer service. Generative AI can help us write more effectively. It can translate languages in real time. It can even help us find our voice as writers and communicators. Imagine a world where language barriers are a thing of the past, where anyone can communicate with anyone, regardless of their native tongue. This is the power of generative AI to connect us, to break down barriers, to foster understanding and collaboration on a global scale. Creativity is often seen as a uniquely human trait. But what happens when machines create art, music, and literature that rivals our own? This is the reality with the rise of generative AI. Imagine an AI composing a symphony in the style of Beethoven, or painting a landscape like Van Gogh. This is no longer science fiction. Generative AI is creating stunning works, pushing human imagination. In film, AI generates special effects, composes scores, and writes screenplays. Imagine lifelike characters and moving music in movies. Generative AI blurs the lines between reality and imagination. It empowers human artists, providing new tools and possibilities, collaborating to push creative boundaries. The future of art is both human and machine. From automation to creation, the evolution of artificial intelligence. To understand generative AI, we need to look back at the evolution of artificial intelligence. For decades, AI focused on automation. Machines performed repetitive tasks, freeing humans for complex work. Then came machine learning, where algorithms learned from data. This led to breakthroughs in image recognition and self-driving cars. Generative AI represents a fundamental shift. It is about creating something entirely new. This is a quantum leap forward. The future of AI is about augmentation, enhancing human capabilities. Section 6. The impact on education, reimagining learning in the age of AI. Education is the cornerstone of progress. It is how we transmit knowledge, foster critical thinking, and prepare future generations for the challenges ahead. generative AI has the potential to revolutionize education, transforming how we learn and teach. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized AI tutor, available 24/7 to answer questions, provide feedback, and adapt to their individual learning style. Generative AI can create customized learning plans, generate interactive exercises, and even grade assignments, freeing up teachers to focus on mentorship and guidance. But the impact goes beyond personalized learning. Generative AI can break down barriers to education, providing access to high-quality learning materials for students in remote areas or underserved communities. It can translate languages in real time, making knowledge accessible to a global audience. The future of education is not about replacing teachers with machines. It is about empowering teachers with the tools they need to create engaging, effective, and personalized learning experiences for every student. Section 7. The ethical landscape navigating the challenges of generative AI. With great power comes great responsibility. As we stand on the cusp of this AI revolution, it is imperative that we consider the ethical implications of generative AI. Like any powerful tool, it can be used for good or for ill. We must proceed with caution and foresight. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for bias. Generative AI systems are trained on massive data sets, and if those data sets reflect existing biases in society, the AI will inherit those biases. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes, perpetuating inequality rather than addressing it. Another concern is the spread of misinformation. Generative AI can create incredibly convincing fake text, images, and videos. This technology could be used to manipulate public opinion, sow discord, and undermine trust in institutions. We must develop safeguards to detect and combat AI-generated misinformation. The ethical challenges posed by generative AI are complex and multifaceted. We need to establish clear guidelines, promote transparency and accountability, and engage in open and honest conversations about the potential risks and rewards of this transformative technology. Section 8. The future of work. Will robots take our jobs? The rise of automation has always been met with anxieties about job displacement. History shows technological advancements create more jobs than they destroy. Generative AI will reshape the job market. Some jobs will become automated, but new opportunities will emerge. We need individuals to design, develop, and maintain AI systems. Adaptability and lifelong learning are key. The future is about humans and machines working together. Section 9. The power and responsibility of intelligent machines. We are entering an era where machines possess intelligence that rivals our own. This is both exhilarating and daunting. We have unlocked a power that has the potential to reshape our world in profound ways, for better or for worse. The question is, how will we wield this power? Generative AI is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. It is up to us, the creators and users of this technology, to ensure that it is used responsibly and ethically. We must be mindful of the potential consequences of our actions and strive to create a future where AI benefits all of humanity. We need to have open and honest conversations about the implications of AI. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for its development and deployment. And we need to work together to ensure that AI is used to create a more just, equitable, and sustainable world. The future is not predetermined. It is shaped by the choices we make today. Section 10. Embracing the unknown, generative AI and the future of humanity. The future is uncertain, but it is filled with possibility. Generative AI is not just a technological advancement, it is a mirror reflecting our own potential, our own creativity, our own capacity for innovation. It challenges us to rethink what it means to be human in an age of intelligent machines. We are at a crossroads. The choices we make today will determine the course of our future. Will we use the power of AI to create a more just and equitable world? Or will we allow it to exacerbate existing inequalities and divisions? The answer lies not in the technology itself, but in ourselves. We must approach this new era with a sense of wonder, curiosity, and responsibility. We must embrace the unknown while remaining mindful of the potential risks and rewards. The future is not something to be feared, it is something to be shaped. Section 11. Conclusion. A call to action in the age of intelligent machines. The universe is filled with mysteries, black holes, distant galaxies, the origins of life itself. But here on Earth, We are witnessing the emergence of a different kind of wonder, the rise of artificial intelligence, specifically the rise of generative AI. This is not science fiction, this is happening now, and it will change everything. We are on the cusp of a new era, an era where machines can create, innovate, and inspire alongside us. This is a time of great promise, but also of great responsibility. The future is not preordained, it is shaped by the choices we make today. So let us embrace this new frontier with courage, curiosity, and a deep sense of responsibility. Let us use the power of AI to build a better future for all humankind. The stars await. Let's reach for them together.